It was very nice to meet the Honorable Chief Minister of Odisha, Mr. Naveen Patnaik. Uh, it is it is important that he is here. It just shows how much importance he places on attracting investment into Odisha. We explained to him about the importance of the garment industry, how it creates employment for uneducated and unskilled women workers who can contribute a lot to their social, in a social and economic manner into their communities. And they were quite happy to hear about this industry, and they have said that they will offer incentives that are equal to or better than all other states. We had to tell him that because this industry is such a low margin industry, it looks forward to subsidies to set up industry. And they seemed quite happy about that. And I'm sure once their policies are clear, uh, people from all over the country can set up shop in Orissa. Thank you.